Good morning students. Today we are going to start our next activity for evaluation 2. This activity is based on the division chapter which you already completed. So it will be very easy for you to complete the activity. Here we are having division squares which we are going to complete with the help of division facts, okay, or the concept of division. Now let us see the first division square. In this square, somewhere dividend is given, somewhere quotient is given, somewhere divisor is given, and with the help of given divisor or quotient or dividend, we have to find out the third box, which is incomplete box. Now let us see the first one, which is given as 12 divided by a blank box, and here the answer given is 3, that the quotient is 3. Okay. So what we have to do is we are going to find out when 12 is divided by which number we get the quotient as 3. Okay. So what we will do here, we are going to put a equality sign here. Okay. So 12 divided by a number which gives you the quotient 3. As the given quotient is 3, we will say the table of 3, or we will find out 3 into which number we get 12. You can say the table of 3, or by this method also you can find out the divisor here. So we know that 3 into 4 is 12. So that's why here 4. So we will get 3 into 4 is equal to 12. That means when 12 is divided by 4, we get the quotient as 3. Okay, very simple. Now in the second sum, the dividend is missing. The divisor is given and the quotient is also given. In the third case, 2 is divided by some number to get the answer or the quotient as 1. Okay. So let us find out which is the dividend in the second sum. Now the quotient is 3. We will apply the same method. 3 into reverse way we will go. So 3 into 2, which is that number. So 3 into 2 is 6. So when 6 is divided by 2, we get the 3, or you can do in this way, start saying the table of 2. Okay. 2 3s are 6. So both ways you can do it. Then 2 divided by which number we get 1. So very easy, no need to do this sum also, this calculation. When a number is divided by itself, we get the quotient 1. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, or you can do in this way, 1 into which number to get 2. Both ways it can be done. So first division square I explained you how to complete. Now the second and third I am going to leave for you. So I am going to we are going to put here division sign, okay, and equality sign here. Very easy, both the division squares are very easy. You are going to complete it on your own using the division chapter. Already the concept of division is already explained to you by your maths teacher. So with the help of that concept, you complete the second and third division square. It is compulsory for everyone to complete and submit. Okay. Till Monday you can submit it to me. Here for this activity 10 marks are given. So for 10 marks I am going to check this activity. Already activity 1 I have already sent it to you. Okay, that activity is for 10 marks and this activity is for 10 marks. In this way 20 marks are for evaluation 2 from the maths lab. Okay, so I hope you have understood the activity. Very simple activity. Complete it and submit it on Monday, or till Saturday also you can submit it to me. Okay, so complete it, try to understand and complete it and submit it. So thank you and Have a nice day.